Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload files to Google Drive. So first of all you need to click on this new, then go for file upload. Okay. Okay. Then go for your file. Choose your file. So this is the file which I wanna upload. Just click on it, drag and drop, and go for from here. Okay, now it's uploading now here, you can see, and it's done. So this is how you can upload files to Google Drive. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.